When it comes to CAD drafting, even the smallest errors can have costly consequences down the line. Among the most common mistakes, scale issues often top the list. It's surprisingly easy to draw a component at the wrong scale, only to realize much later that nothing fits as it should. To prevent this, always set your drawing units and scale before you begin. And double check these settings whenever you import or reference external files. If you discover a scale mistake partway through your project, many CAD programs allow you to rescale objects, but be mindful. Dimensions and annotations may not adjust automatically, so review and update them as needed. Layering errors are another frequent culprit. Layers help organize your drawing, separating elements like electrical, plumbing, or structural components. But putting objects on the wrong layer or failing to use layers consistently can lead to confusion, missed details, or even fabrication mistakes. Establish a clear layer, naming convention, and color coding from the outset and stick to it. Regularly audit your drawing for misplaced objects and use layer management tools to quickly spot and fix inconsistencies. Incorrect or missing dimensions can also spell trouble. If dimensions are not precise or if critical measurements are omitted, manufacturers and builders are left to guess, often resulting in rework or delays. Always use the correct dimensioning tools for your CAD software and cross-check all key measurements before finalizing your drawing. Pay close attention to tolerances and units to ensure clarity, and have a colleague review your work whenever possible. By staying vigilant, reviewing your settings, and following best practices for organization and annotation, you can catch these common CAD errors before they escalate, saving time, money, and frustration in your projects.